Hey everybody, it's Neil, and check out what I have here. I have the AEOCKY, and it is a desktop air purifier. So we're gonna give this thing here a check out, and I'll show you guys how it works. It has multiple filtration, quiet, simple control, low maintenance. It's got a timer on it, and you can do aromatherapy as well. So pretty cool. Here's the quick start guide. So if you happen to get one of these and you don't know what to do, that's what you need for it. And there as well. So there we go. Just open it up and see what's inside. So this is everything here. Now box is empty. Put that aside. Hopefully I won't knock everything over. Okay, and here it is. So this is the device here. Actually, does it have a wire or anything? Let me see. Out here. So let's see what we got here. We have, it says open and close here, so we'll open this up. Let me see, where does it say? Open. There it is, open, and it looks like our accessories are going to be on the inside here. And you can see that. Sorry, phone started ringing. But here we go. This is the air filter here. So it looks like it's got a nice air filter. It's got the foam filter on there, and it looks like it's got a carbon filter on the inside, so that's good. So we'll stick that in there. We'll open this up here and see what kind of plug it has. It has a little barrel connector plug, so we will connect that up here in a second. Okay, I do have an outlet over here. So that is plugged in and live. So we will put this back on, the cover back on it here. Let's see, where does it line up? There to there. Sorry. Okay, that is closed. Here you can see it says open the bottom cover to check the power cord and all that stuff. So we've done that. What is this? Oh, here's our little aromatherapy pot, so we can put some smelly essential oils or whatever if we want to in there. And then here's the top section here, which has one of those things to peel off. If I can grab it. Okay, it wouldn't be that hard if I wasn't have all the lights in my eyes, but here we go. So now it's the little plastic is peeled off. I push it, it's got like that touch sensitive stuff, and it is blowing right now. And it looks like it's on a low mode now. I'm trying to think, let's see, what do we think to push to make it go? Push the power button a second time to make it go on a higher mode. And you can kind of sort of hear it. If I put it right up to my speaker here, you can probably hear it, but it's super duper quiet. And then we have the timer over here, and then we have a light setting there. So if you want the little light on, it looks like it's got some colors going on it or something. Different brightness of colors if you really like the light. I don't know. I guess it would be a nice little night light to have, but it's a good looking little unit here too. So this is it here, and you can set the timer on it, so I can set it for like 2 hours. So now it'll just go for 2 hours and then turn itself off. So how cool is that? So this is gonna be nice. I'll be able to keep this. I'm actually gonna put this one in my bedroom. Just to kind of keep it nice and good air for me as I sleep. So super cool. I like this. Thumbs up. Sure. Very good.